We are all taught that healthy eating and healthy living is simple, right? All you have to do is eat more of the good stuff and less of the bad. But what if the good stuff isn't as good as we think it is? What if the very labels we read and base our purchasing decisions on are not giving us the information we really need? Today's food labels are based on the Recommended Daily Allowance, or RDA for short. RDAs are not meant to provide you with the amount of a nutrient you need to be healthy, but only the minimum amount you need to prevent a deficiency or disease. So even if you eat 100% of the RDA of every single nutrient, there is no guarantee that it will keep you healthy. Keep in mind, there is not a one-size-fits-all formula to your nutritional needs. Individual lifestyle factors including stress, exercise, smoking, dietary choices, medications, sleep, age, and sun exposure can significantly impact your need for particular nutrients. Perhaps this is why so many doctors, nutritionists, and health experts recommend daily supplementation with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and more. Even foods without labels like fruits and vegetables aren't as nutritious as we expect them to be. Scientists have compared the nutritional levels of today's fruits and vegetables with those from 40 years ago and found that today's produce contains up to 59% less nutrients such as iron, zinc, protein, calcium, and vitamin C. This is another reason why so many people are turning to nutritional supplementation. But it's important to realize that not all supplements are created equal. Did you know that many of the most popular vitamins and minerals sold on store shelves today contain artificial binders, fillers, and coatings that make it difficult, sometimes even impossible, for your body to break down the nutrients so you can use them? The Isotonix Daily Essentials Kit provides the nutrients you need using our unique, clinically proven Isotonix delivery system. The Isotonix delivery system provides superior absorption by rapidly delivering the nutrients in liquid form, free from binders and fillers, allowing them to be utilized quickly and completely. The Isotonix Daily Essentials Kit includes our 4 cornerstone products: Isotonix Multivitamin, Calcium Plus, Activated B-Complex, and OPC3. Isotonix Multivitamin delivers more than 20 essential nutrients to help meet your basic nutritional needs and to offset the decline of nutrients in our food. Isotonix Calcium Plus, a blend of 5 different forms of calcium, as well as zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and boron, to ensure you have all the essential cofactors to maximize absorption. Most people are aware that calcium is good for the bones, but did you know it's also essential for heart health, hormone production, nerve conduction, healthy teeth, muscle function, and much more? Isotonix Activated B-Complex provides energy and boosts metabolism. The activated forms of select B vitamins mean that they are immediately ready for use by the body, helping to break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into energy to power our body. B vitamins also support immune health, red blood cell formation, decrease stress, and improve mood, along with promoting normal cognitive performance and nerve function. B vitamins are water-soluble, and therefore must be replenished daily. They are naturally depleted by lifestyle factors including alcohol consumption, certain prescription medications, stress, and many processed foods. Finally, in our Isotonix Daily Essentials Kit, we have a powerful clinically studied antioxidant formula known as Isotonix OPC3. OPC3 contains one of the most extensively studied natural ingredients, pycnogenol, as well as grapeseed and grape skin extracts, bilberry, and other bioflavonoids, and works through its synergistic ingredient combination to combat free radicals. Not only are we constantly exposed to free radicals through the air we breathe and the food we eat, they are also naturally generated within our own bodies as a byproduct of metabolism. In addition to its role as a powerful free radical scavenger, Isotonix OPC3 demonstrates anti-inflammatory activity and promotes heart health, skin health, joint health, optimal blood sugar, and immunity. The Isotonix Daily Essentials Kit comes with 90 servings of Isotonix Calcium Plus, Activated B-Complex, Multivitamin, and OPC3. Take control of your health by giving the best to your body. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you can support your body with the nutrition it needs for optimal health. Don't wait. Start today. For more information, contact the person who shared this video with you.